Hello friends, in this video I am going to demonstrate how you can register yourself for 30 days of Google Cloud. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, just subscribe the channel called Ghanshyam the Comrade. So let's move forward and see the process how we can register ourselves for this process. After a long time, after many tries, the registration has been opened. It's 1:11 a.m. and I am filling this form to demonstrate you. So firstly, open the site called 30 days of Google Cloud. I will put this URL in linked in the description box, so do check out from there. So while opening this, as you are aware of 30 days of Google Cloud, 30 days of Google Cloud is just like a program for where you will demonstrate the labs in for 30 days of time duration. So it will start from 27th of September and it will end on October 27th. So if you want to know more about this, I will give in the link in I button above in right side. So you just check out from there and get to know more about 30 days of Google Cloud. So after that, let's move forward and enroll in this program. So just now click on enroll now. Let's read this important notification from here. Before you enroll in the program, using the button below, please add Google Cloud edu no reply qwiklabs.com. So I have added this before, so I am not going to add it. If you want, just add this mail ID in your mailing list, so that the mail will be coming from this this email ID won't be going to spam or promotion. Or you can choose, you can select, what you can do is, as you got the email from the Qwiklabs, then you can, what you can do is just go and make the email ID as not spam. So that will also work, and there are some FAQs are there, we will look after in another video. So here they are saying like the program will start from 27th September and it will end on 27th October, and deadline to finish lab and earn prizes is this. Okay, they are repeating the same thing, and they are saying like we only have 50,000 seats available in the program. Once they are filled, the form will automatically close and we won't be allowing any more entries, so please hurry. So you can enroll in this program as soon as possible, and but don't rush, just be calm. And if the form is not opening and it's showing heavy traffic, just wait and try after some time. So I am trying since 5 p.m, but now the server is stable, so please don't hurry. And about what will happen when you submit the form, after submitting form, fill out the personal details and create an account on Google and Qwiklabs. I have uploaded one video how you can create your Qwiklab account, how you can create a new Qwiklab account, so you can check out. And the link for this video also will come here in the I button, so do check out from there after completing the after registering yourself for this, and I will be mentioning this in afterwards. So let's move forward. Don't talk very much, so just go and enroll in the program. So let's move forward and let's fill in the form. So 30 days of Google Cloud student enrollment form. Here, this is the form. Thank you so much for your interest. They are welcoming us, and they are saying here only key note, this form will close after 26 September 11:59 p.m. once it reaches 50k registration, और once it means ये बोल रहा है कि 26 सितंबर को ये जो फॉर्म है बंद हो जाएगा, और अगर या तो 26 सितंबर को बंद होगा या तो फिर ये कब बंद होगा, ये जैसे ही 50k रजिस्ट्रेशन होते हैं तब ये फॉर्म जो है बंद हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट, all these goodies you will get, if you complete all the tracks, then all these beautiful goodies you will be getting. So let's hurry and just next करते हैं हम यहाँ पर, and let's fill the form. And this is the form. There you have to, these all terms and conditions आप इसको पढ़ लीजिएगा, and then you if you want to accept it or you can decline, it's up to you. But basically yes, I accept the terms and I will move forward. After that, they are saying like you have to fill the information. We are so happy that you have made till here. So let's fill up. I have filled this my information, Ghanshyam Prajapati, and after that I have written my email ID and confirm email ID again, and I have selected gender. And now what you have to select here, I am emphasizing here, just focus on this section. This section matters a lot. Okay, so what you have to do is, from if you are from Sagar Institute of Science and Technology, or you are participating from Sagar Institute of Science and Technology, then do select Sagar Institute of Science and Technology Bhopal. Just scroll down, scroll down. It is, the list is in alphabetical order. Okay, so just go down, then as comes, just keep on eye Sagar Institute of Science and Technology. I am mentioning here Sagar Institute of Science and Technology. Okay, so here the Sagar Institute of Science and Technology is here. Sagar Institute of Science and Technology Bhopal. Just click on this Sagar Institute of Science and Technology Bhopal. You have to select Sagar Institute of Science and Technology Bhopal. Okay, so I have mentioned it very loud that you have to select Sagar Institute of Science and Technology Bhopal, so that we can track your progress report, and we can inform you as we get your report. So do select Sagar Institute of Science and Technology in the select your institution name option. Okay, so after that, year of graduation you have to select as per your year of graduation. You can select that 21 or before, or 2024 or after, so it's up to you. And do you have access to internet? Okay, I am having, so I will be clicking on yes. And do you have an Qwiklabs account? So I already have an Qwiklabs account, and most of the person are having already Qwiklabs account. So what if I am saying no, I want to create? I will click on next. So what happens here, create your account on Qwiklabs. So what the first step is, navigate to this URL, that is qwiklabs.com. Then create on join, and create click on join and create an account using the email address you mentioned in this form. So what happened is, actually I have mentioned all these how you can create your new account in another video, so just go and check out there. I will be putting this link for this video in the I button. Just do check out, or I will be giving the link for this video in description box as well for more convenience. So as I have created my account, so I will just verify that I have created the account. And so now click on next, and then after what you have to what we have, then great, you have a Qwiklabs account. Please do remember to share your profile below, so that we can track your progress in the program and send you more your prizes when you win. So log into this. Now here they are saying how you can get your URL public. So here what you have to do, these instructions you can follow. So what we have to do, log into this this website. Okay, as you log in this then this website, then just go and click on this activity section, and then click on the make profile public. As actually what happened is, I have mentioned all these steps in the previous video, Qwiklabs 1. Okay, how you can create your account. So do follow that video, and let's move forward. Okay, all these instructions are there. You can also go through this profile, these instructions, and you can make your profile public, and you can share that profile here. So here, this is my public profile. I have opened it, and I am now what happening is, I am now copying it, and now going to the before the slide from where we go on for Qwiklabs. So now I am pasting the link, the profile link. Just make sure this profile, this public profile I am going to. So देखिए इसमें क्या करना है अपन को, कि हमको make sure करना है कि हम यही जो एक public profile है हमारी, देखिए हमको अच्छे से ध्यान देना है, हमको इस पब्लिक प्रोफाइल को अच्छे से देखना है, एंड इस पब्लिक प्रोफाइल के हमको कॉपी करना है, एंड यहाँ पर हमको पेस्ट करना है. इसका अच्छे से ध्यान रखना है, क्योंकि अगर आपने इस क्विकलैब के प्रोफाइल को अगर गलत डाला है तो वी कैन ट्रेस योर progress report, and you won't be eligible for swags. So make sure double check the profile, public profile, and do mention these kind of things in this section. Okay, after copying the Qwiklabs profile, do paste it here, and by completing and submitting this form, you declare that the information provided is true. Means all the information is true. They are acknowledging from your side that all the information is through from your side. Okay, so what will happen when you submit? So what will happen when you submit the form? When you submit, as soon as you submit the form, you will receive an email with the instructions to avail your free credit to on pass on Qwiklabs, the timeline for the program and was the last date to get a chance to add those मतलब बोल के रहे हैं कि जैसे आप सबमिट बटन पे क्लिक करोगे तो आपको एक मेल पहुंचेगा. बट आई वांट टू मेंशन इट हियर दैट if you are not getting the mail right now, so just I'm mentioning here is that just wait for 24 hours. You will get the mail within the 24 hours as mentioned from the upper. Okay, as जो अपर बॉडीज है उनने मेंशन किया है कि अगर ड्यू टू वेरी हैवी ट्रैफिक द मेल इज नॉट गोइंग एट द पर्टिकुलर टाइम, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज you have to just wait for 24 hours. And if you have given the public report, जो क्विकलैब की पब्लिक प्रोफाइल है, अगर आपने इसको सही डाली है यहाँ पर, तो you will get the mail on time or within the 24 hours. So make sure you are giving the proper or a proper profile, a public profile. Okay, and okay, so now I am just clicking on submit button. So the form is now submitted. It is saying like that, thank you so much for enrolling in 30 days of Google Cloud program. We are excited to have you on board. So it is just congratulating us or thanking us for the for our step. So that's was it. So अगर आपने जो मैंने स्टेप यहाँ बोली है उनको आप अच्छे से ध्यान रखिएगा. एंड अगर इसके बाद भी आपको कोई दिक्कत आती है and you are having edit your response here, just click on this. If you have made some changes, you want to made some changes, you can go and you can change the information. Just like if you have written the information और क्विकलैब प्रोफाइल आपने गलती लिख दी है तो आप यहाँ पे जाके चेंज कर सकते हैं और द इंफॉर्मेशन इज सेव्ड. ओके, सो अगर आपने कुछ गलती की है तो यहाँ पर आप जाके चेंज कर सकते हैं. ऐसे अब मैं यहाँ जा रहा हूँ, सब चीजें चेंज करते जा रहा हूँ. मान लीजिए मैंने यहाँ पर कुछ गलत लिख दी, प्रोफाइल में गलत लिख दी, तो आई कैन चेंज इट हियर. बट मेक श्योर दिस फॉर्म इज ओनली अवेलेबल टिल 26 सितंबर. ओके, एंड ये फॉर्म अगर जैसे 50 के जो भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स है वो आते हैं तो ये फॉर्म बंद हो जाएगा. एंड यू वांट बी हैविंग एक्सेस टू योर एडिट रिस्पॉन्स. सो मेक श्योर एट वंस you fill the public profile right. Okay, so this was it. I am just clicking on submit as I haven't made any mistake. So this was it. So इसमें आपको सबको समझ में आ चुका होगा कि फॉर्म कैसे भरना है एंड कैसे ये पूरा प्रोसेस है. एंड अगर अभी भी आपको पता नहीं है कि क्रिएट आपका क्विकलैब अकाउंट कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे, एंड आई वांट टू मेंशन हियर इज दैट कि अगर आपने पहले से गूगल क्लाउड रेडी प्रोग्राम में या दूसरे किसी प्रोग्राम में अगर 30 डेज ऑफ लास्ट ईयर 30 डेज ऑफ गूगल क्लाउड प्रोग्राम में आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया था, तो आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन हियर इज दैट प्लीज मेक अ न्यू फ्रेश क्विकलैब अकाउंट. अगर आपके पास पहले से कोई दूसरा ईमेल आईडी है जो कि अभी फ्रेश है, तो या फिर उससे आपने क्विकलैब अकाउंट नहीं बनाया है तो आप उससे बना सकते हैं, या तो फिर आप एक न्यू ईमेल आईडी बनाइए एंड उसके थ्रू आप एक नया क्विकलैब का अकाउंट बनाइए एंड देन उससे आप इसको साइन अप करिए. ओके, एंड अगर अच्छा रहेगा अगर आप मेल आईडी भी सेम देते हैं तो. Okay, so all these was the information for how you can register yourself for 30 days of Google Cloud. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I think you all your doubts has been cleared now. So और अगर आपको और प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हो, अगर आप अभी भी हैवी ट्रैफिक फेस कर रहे हो, और एक चीज जल्द से जल्दी आप इस फॉर्म को फिल कर दें ताकि 50 के का जो रजिस्ट्रेशन का जो कैप है वो क्योंकि बहुत जल्दी से रोल आउट हो रहा है यहाँ पर. सो यू मेक श्योर जल्दी से जल्दी आप इसको कर दें. सो गाइज, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to support me on YouTube, just subscribe the channel and like this video, and if you have any more queries you can type in the comment box. Okay, see you then in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.